hindi pa ako okay bilang tao at nabiyayaan ako ng ganitong klaseng industriya, it got to a point na nawalan ako ng respeto sa trabaho.
So inaamin mo na sa umpisa mo sa industriya, unprofessional ka?
Nung nauuto na si Timmy Eigenman na magaling pala si Sid Lucero at naniniwala siya doon, lumaki yung ulo niya. Iinuman the night before work, pagdating sa trabaho, late. Hindi ko kinaya yung industriya. Yun ang aminin ko, hindi ko kinaya yung fame.
Let me ask you something. Sumubo ka ba sa drugs before? Magandang araw Pilipinas at sa ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Welcome to TikTok with Aster Amoy. Sa araw nito mga kaibigan ay isa na naman pong special na personalidad ang ating makakakwentuhan. He is an award-winning actor. Nagmula sa isang showbiz royalty. Mga kaibigan, I am so privileged in having him here for the very first time. Mga kaibigan, let's all welcome Sid Lucero!
I actually thought you would read that. You don't read it. That's amazing. Diretso lang.
Pag nakikita kita, you always remember me of your dad. Kasi
Yeah,
kahit
of
paano,
course,
naging
yeah.
kaibigan ko ang tatay mo eh. And he passed on so early. He
Super
was
early.
52, right?
I think so.
Yeah, he was, pinata mo? He was
Hindi ko alam yung
52.
age.
24 days short of his 53rd birthday.
That is very true.
Ah,
Yes.
diba?
Yes.
Grabe.
Yan, naalala ko yan. Yeah.
Isa siguro sa mga features ng dad mo na talagang nakuha mo, para kang mini-me ng daddy mo. I don't know if ako lang nagsabi sa iyo noon.
People say, opo, may
Oo,
mga nagsasabi.
diba?
Maitim lang ako ng content, saka
Hindi,
maliit.
hindi. Maputi si Martin.
Yes po, yeah.
Oo, pero yung the features, halos parehong-pareho. At ang isa pang nakuha mo sa kanya, ang pagiging mahusay na aktor.
Pinamanan nila lahat sa amin yan. Kinalat nila.
Pati rin si Maxine,
Yeah.
di ba?
Oh,
She's
yeah.
also an award-winning
Oo.
actress, di ba?
All of them.
Yeah,
Lahat ng kabatch ko, all of them.
Yes, di ba? Nakakatuwa eh. Kumusta ka na? I am so happy. Meron kang bagong pelikula,
Yes po,
Post
yeah.
House.
I'm
And this is a horror movie, right?
Yes, horror.
And
Post
you're a
House.
lead actor here.
Yeah,
Hindi
One
ka...
of them po, kaming dalawa ni Bea Benene.
Akala ko nga, Viva talent ka na. Kasi ang dalas mong gumagawa sa Viva.
Komportable lang po talaga ako sa Viva. I love
At
working
love
with...
ka nila.
Yeah, oh,
Love ka nila kasi
Thank you.
madalas ka nila kinukuha.
I love Viva. Yeah, I love it
Diba?
there. Yeah,
Oo.
sobrang saya. Yeah.
Ang natutuwa lang ako sa iyo, walang qualms about, bearing or
yeah.
mga sexy or anything.
Wala
You can do
po.
anything.
I try to do anything.
Oo.
Because in my mind, hindi ko lang gusto maging artista. I wanna be an actor, you know. Kung actor ako and kung Pilipino ako, kung may story ang Pilipino, ba't ako mamimili? I'll try to tell all stories from all angles. And if it's a medium na ginagamit dito sa Pilipinas, gagamitin ko, yeah.
Pero siguro nasa genes din kasi. Of course, your late aunt, Sherry Hill, napakagaling din na actress. Even your lola,
Yeah,
Rosemary
yeah,
Hill.
yes, of course.
Huwag na nating ilayo yung tatay mo at saka yung uncle mo, no, si Michael De Mesa.
Minsan pag sinasabi nilang it's in the blood, I'm proud, of course. Pero at the same time, medyo iniisip ko rin yung mga hindi nanggaling sa linya ng mga aktor at aktres. Pero napakahusay nila. So, that tells me that maybe it's not true. Maybe share lang namin yung pagmamahal namin sa craft. Yeah.
Yes.
Because kahit may mga artista out there who didn't come from a line, pero pag halo-halo mo pa rin yung talent namin mag-Eigenman, hindi pa rin kami papantay sa talent nila because they're just really that good. And I think it's more fair to say na maybe we just share a passion for it.
Ako siguro pangangatawanan ko, it's in the blood.
I'll take it,
Pangangatawanan
I'll
ko
take
yun.
it,
Kasi
yeah.
like, not to mention also your auntie na si
Yeah.
Gina Alahar,
Yeah,
di ba?
Si Tita Jane pa.
Andiyan pa si Gabi,
Of
andiyan
course.
din si Joff, di ba?
Yeah. Cabby,
Ryan.
Joff, Ryan, AJ
Oo.
started before me pero
Oo.
lumipat na ng States.
Oo.
Ira also started for a little bit pero lumipat na rin. My sister now is making waves like crazy.
Yeah, ay nagkakagulat, di ba, si Maxine?
Ako, hindi ako nagugulat. With Max,
Wow, di
no.
ba?
Nagugulat lang ako that it took this long. But yeah, syempre, as an actor, you have there's two sides. It's the job and the personal side. So I'm just happy that the world is beginning to see what my sister's made out of.
Sometimes it takes time
It
for you to
does,
shine,
opo.
di ba?
Sometimes overnight, Sometimes matagal.
Na matagal.
Si Andy, parang isang beses nag-audition siya, pagising namin, siya na si Agua Bendita
Right,
bigla. That was a
right.
sensation.
Tita mo rin si di ba? The late Jacqueline
Yeah.
Jose. Hindi mo na questionin di ba?
Attracted
Oh.
kami sa talent.
Di ba? Naniniwala ka ba sa sinasabi minsan ng iba? Minsan ang pagiging mahusay na aktor is because of your past experiences.
Yes and no. Sa tingin ko, mas nakakatulong. Nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na depth yung artista kasi meron siyang karanasan na hindi siya na-share with other people. Not everybody shares that experience. Usually,
Right.
it's heavy. Usually, it's dark.
Right.
Usually, it's sad. Maybe a broken family, ganyan, or
Yes.
wrong choices. For me, naniniwala ko, it's only an aid. Kasi, like I said, it's still a craft. At ang craft na pag-aaralan, at you don't even have to be born with talent. You just have to love it enough. And you said so yourself na it takes time, di ba?
Yes.
I really think if you just love it enough,
Minsan sabi nga nila, alam mo, pag aktor ka talaga Parang bata ka pa, parang lumalabas na
Yes.
di ba?
Lalo na kapag may kasama ka na actress na parang, whoa, are you sure you're 7? Di ka ba 70? Ano ba na
How young were you nung magsimula ka in this business?
My very first ever taste of the craft was school plays, school presentations.
So nag-stage ka?
A little bit.
Oh,
Yung
yes.
mga
Oh,
hindi
kahit
choice.
paano meron na rin
little
kahit,
bit.
yes.
May mga class presentation na wala kang choice, so I invite my dad, little bit, mga things like that. Commercials was my first professional experience dito sa industriya. And then from there, I went back to college. And then whole different story. Kinausap ko si Ricky, I think I need to get out of here. Let's see, try lang natin. Tapos nag-snowball siya eh. It just
So si Ricky
snowballed.
Gallardo na ang manager mo
Ever
from the very
since,
start.
it's
Wow.
never gonna
A
change.
very nice guy.
I
Ikaw
love
talaga,
him. He's like
yes.
my mom, my dad, everything.
In one of the interviews you had in the past, may inamin ka na you had somehow a dark past.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Can you share it with us?
I'll try to without trying to get into it so much. I've
Yes.
never been ashamed of it. It's just
Oo.
bitten me in the back before it.
At natuto ka from there.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Oo.
Habang tumatanda ka, there are certain effects of the people before you, let's say parents, pag naghiwalay or something,
Yes.
that greatly affects a child. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit yung mga choices ko nung mas bata ako ay ganun. Hindi pa ako okay bilang tao at nabiyayaan ako ng ganitong klaseng industriya and it just so happened na I flourished in it. It got to a point na since kaya ko naman to kahit hindi ko basahin yung script, I would just go to the set. Nawalan ako ng respeto sa trabaho and everyone else, but ultimately with myself. And the funny thing is, yung pinaka hindi ko nirespeto, which is the job itself, same thing that got me out of it, you know? Kasi I worked on myself, I para siya kang life coach si Erwin eh. Si Erwin Tagle, he got me into like martial arts and nonstop and we kicked it, we got out. We started doing projects, tapos yung mga tao na nakakatrabaho ko started seeing that I'm completely different. And then I think that's why I'm here now. Every time I think about my career, ang lagi kong iniisip, I'm a 4-year-old, 5-year-old actor. That's how I feel.
Bakit?
Kasi
Bakit mo sabi yun?
pag iniisip ko yung past, hindi ko nakikilala. If I see a picture of myself 20 years ago, I don't recognize him. I don't know what he's thinking. Kung naaalala ko man, parang, ba't ka ganyan? Hindi ko gets. I try not to talk about it. I'm not proud of it. But at the same time, yun yung dahilan ko ba't ako nandito ngayon eh. It's great to know na yung industriyang binastos ko is still here and is still accepting of me. Hindi ko na uulitin yun.
So inaamin mo na sa umpisa mo sa industriya, unprofessional ka?
Not yet. Sa simula, very. Nung nauuto na si Timmy Eigenman na magaling pala si Sid Lucero at naniniwala siya doon, lumaki yung ulo niya. Pag mag-invite na barkada, dito tayo. Okay.
Mabilis ang pera.
Mabilis ang pera, iinuman the night before work, pagdating sa trabaho, late, pangit.
Oo, yes.
Pangit. Hindi ko kinaya yung industriya. Yun yung aminin ko, hindi ko kinaya yung fame. Yeah, hindi ko siya kinaya.
Na-overwhelmed ka ba?
Overwhelmed, yeah.
Yeah.
Nalunod ako ng sarili kong ego. It's really not nice, yeah.
Was it an upset because of sa mga pinagdaanan mo?
Maybe, yeah. Kasi if you go to like these little meetings of people who have the same problem, may common denominator. That's why right now, if you notice, a lot of the projects I do, I really put in mental health awareness about in it. Kasi as a country, ang baba ng awareness natin, parang grade 3 lang daw tayo eh. Malaking dahilan yung why my decision making was very poor. Rebelde eh. But it's not an excuse.
When you were young, talagang may pagka-rebellious ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
Palaaway.
Oo.
I was strong. I was an athlete, so I was hard-headed also. Hindi nagba-back down. High school to eh. Yung ganun. And then nung nag-college, nag-mellow down ng konti.
Let me ask you something. Sumubo ka ba sa drugs before?
Yeah.
You
I
did?
got into it. For
Okay.
college was the worst. I stopped it. And then when Sid Lucero was becoming famous, I got back into it a little bit for maybe like a year. That's probably why I lost my relationship with Bea. That's why naghiwalay kami. When my daughter was born, that's when things started to change.
At that time, buhay pang tatay mo.
Yes.
So, paano kanya kinausap?
Many ways eh. Because si dad is the same way eh. He was the same way to himself. Like he drank a lot. Pagdating sa ganyan, mahirap. Alam niya kung hanggang saan lang siya pwede magsalita. Like he never tried to become a father. Pagdating sa ganyang aspeto, kasi ganoon din siya. He just said na that there are certain things that he would not touch and that I should never touch. Tapos, one day, it's just like, I just changed. Didn't want anything to do with it anymore.
On your own.
I wouldn't say on my own because I have the support of people around me. My team, Sina Erwin Tagle, my mom, my family, work, Ricky. I don't think it was on my own.
You were
Yeah.
surrounded by positive people.
People who I really needed to be
yeah.
with. The thing is kasi if you go to any institution, addiction is a lifelong thing. Just because you're over it, it doesn't mean you're done. So your fight is forever.
Hindi ka naman na-rehab.
No, yun
No,
yung dun
what's
ako,
important
that's
is
what I'm proud of. Easy.
Strong pa rin ng self-control mo. Kasi ikaw lang ang nagpabago sa sarili mo.
Yung sabi po sa akin ng counselor ko that maybe not my discipline or control, but yung values ni mom. When we were talking to each other, yun yung nangibabaw sa conversations namin eh. Na swerte ako because I have a mom like mine.
By the way, the mom, of course, of Sid is Bing Pimentel,
Yes.
dating modelo turned actress. How is she
Yeah.
now? How is your
She's
mom?
amazing.
Oh, yeah.
She doesn't look like she's a day over 40.
Oh, di ba?
Pareho na ang age namin. She's my rock. She's the reason why Sid Lucero's amazing. Siya at saka si Ricky.
Nabanggit ko na rin lang yung only daughter mo.
Yes,
only
one and
child.
only.
One and
Yes, one
only.
and only.
What if one day, sabihin ng daughter mo na, Dad, I wanna be
I'm
An
90
artista
king,
someday.
so anyways. Oh
Pag
my.
ganun naging reaction mo, ayaw mo. She's only 12 now.
I think she has a lot more to offer the world than just entertainment. I think that if she puts her mind into anything, she can do it. Kung ito yung gusto niya,
Parang reluctant ka, ha?
of course I'll support. Pero sana naman tapusin niya yung school kasi yun yung hindi ko nagawa eh. She can do whatever she wants after. Because susuportan talaga namin kahit ano mangyari.
Oo, kasi sometimes may calling eh.
Like for me,
Oo,
20s na po ako nung na-discover ko na ito na yung gagawin ko until I die. I fell in love.
Oo.
Pero 20s lang.
But you were exposed to this industry when you were still young.
Yeah, pero hindi ko siya gustong gawin.
talaga?
Never. Even my
Oo.
classmates, pag tinutukso na ako, mag-artista ka, no. Ayoko nga.
No way.
No way. Tapos nasa Ateneo ka pa nag-aaral, so highbrow yung mga kasama. No. Sayang yung education. Blah, 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 blah. Tapos pinag-workshop lang ako isang beses.
Ah. See?
Ito na ata to.
Kumbaga, na-push yung right button, di ba?
Thank you, Peke Galiaga and Gabby Fernandez.
Ano yung first workshop mo?
That was my very, 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 very first workshop and introduction to real acting. Audition na po siya for a show sa GMA. And 10-day workshop siya, pero crash course siya ng being. Parang 30 days ata ang being. So parang ginawa ni Sir Gabby and ni Direk Peke to shorten it for the audition. And on the second day, I knew I was gonna do this for the rest of my life. I did the audition because I was desperate to get out of school. I wanted to get out of my environment. Taft is not a very nice environment kung hindi ka diretso mag-isip. And my manager helped me. We did this. Yun yung very first taste ko. They made me do something, tapos yung ginawa ko was so outside me that it felt uncomfortable. But after like 10 seconds na ginagawa ko siya na hindi naman talaga ako yun, it felt good. It felt liberating.
You mentioned na you were in college, but you dropped college because of showbiz. Anong kinukuha mo nun?
Ateneo, I took up philosophy. After the first year, hindi ko na talagang sabi ko, what am I doing here? So my friend, pinsan ko, he said, I took up production design in CSB, baka gusto mo. And then I checked it out, meron silang technical theater, which is makeup, FX, lights, costume. So, I want that one. Tapos when I was doing it, na-distract ako sa Taft. Ang dami bang nangyayari. May mga rock bands. Lahat ng hindi ko dapat gawin sa college, hindi ako pumasok. I met Ricky kasi mga years before that sa Limelight, my dad's bar sa Dumaguete. And then he goes, in case you ever feel like you wanna try it na, call me. Parang 2 to 3 years later, tinawagan ko siya.
Wow.
I need to do something else. I need to get out of here. That was that workshop na, yeah. My very first, yeah.
Tapos yung first workshop na yun ang naging entry point mo na sa showbiz.
Yun na po yung entry point ko
At
sa showbiz.
no turning back.
Never turned back again.
Diba? Kailan mo na-realize na mali yung ginagawa mo?
I knew it was wrong from the beginning. Nung pinanganak lang talaga yung anak ko, dun talaga ako na, wow. And nung pinanganak yung anak ko, all of it was taken away from me. My job, my work. So it's like, wala na gusto kumuha. So no more work. And that was like, okay, we need to start.
Realization.
Let's think. And then habang tumatanda yung anak ko, the more nafo-focus ka sa anong mangyayari. And then that one aspiring director goes, gusto mo try natin to si Sid. And then reignites your career again. Viva ang nag-start ng career ko ulit after pandemic.
At saka ang nakakatuwa lang kasi sa'yo, like sabi nga nila, once you're an actor, you will always be an actor.
I believe it 100%. Tita Shari, ilang beses nag-retire.
Correct, di ba?
Pupuntang New York, uuwi kasi kailangan niya magtrabaho.
Oo, diba? You are very passionate with what you're doing. Lalo na kung maganda yung role, parang na-challenge ka di ba?
Yes, true. Parte na siya ng buhay talaga. It's a part of your identity. It
Right.
becomes a part of it. Which is dangerous. Nakakalasing yung side na yan eh.
Up to you rin.
Yeah, depende
how
sa
are you
tao.
going to handle
Yeah,
it?
exactly.
Usually kasi yung mga iba-ibang actor, madalas kayong tanungin, sino ang talagang hinahangaan mo ng gusto?
As an actor,
Yes, as an actor.
I'm a fan of everybody. As in, wala akong hindi gusto. Kahit bago pa siya, kahit sabihin mo pa na siya yung worst actor sa balat ng Pilipinas, there's always something I appreciate. Always. My inspiration when it comes to creating my characters is always the people around me. My greatest inspirations are my friends and family. And the people that I work with, like when I go to work, tapos
Yes.
yung hindi ko lagi nakakasama, ang weird magsalita. Ang weird ng humor nitong tao on the set. Those are the ones that I really watch. Ang source of inspiration ko is always what I know.
Anong preparasyon ang ginagawa mo when you are given a role for a certain project?
Depende po. Pag TV, ang pinaka-importante sa akin sa TV is yung characterization na binibigay nila. Because television is plot-driven. All characters are flat, walang rise and fall. It is all about the problem at hand. In film, it is you have a concept and then you have characters to create a story. Pwede rin kasing plot-driven na film eh. Weird yung nangyayari kasi hindi lahat ng tao pareho, so hindi mo ma-expect yung gagawin ng tao na yan. That for me is very complicated kasi kailangan kong aralin kung bakit niya ginawa yan eh. Or kailangan kong gawin akin. For TV, ang memorizing ko kung paano magsalita, kung paano magsulat yung mga writer, kung ano yung gusto ng director, or kung paano niya nakikita yung character. There, no matter where in the series, if it's scene 1, season, or season 2, or week 4, 5, 8, 7, 9, mapaplot out ko na yan. Yeah. So, it's really more of yung imagination ko kung ano yung sa tingin kong hinihingi ng material, lalo na pag sa TV.
So magkaiba ang approach.
Very different. Kaya kong hindi basahin yung buong script ng isang buong season ng TV, pero kuha ko yung character. On a movie, you have to read the whole thing. Tapos, kailangan mong isipin kung kailan mo ibibigay ito kasi ang finale nandito sa area na to. Unless ito talaga yung hinihingi to, tingnan na lang natin sa editing. Di ba? We'll see.
Other actors, naglalagay sila ng backstory.
Yes.
Ginagawa mo rin.
Yes and no. Kasi the backstory is already given eh. Ang hindi nila binibigay is the habits. Like for example, kung ang character ko ay isang executive na hindi pa siya nag-graduate, siya na yung nakapila dun sa CEO position para sa family business nila. And if my character is really book smart, narcissistic, power hungry, he's not going to be flashy. He's probably wearing the same thing he wore in college up to now for the next 20 years. Those are the things that I think about. So I go, why am I wearing this?
Kailangan i-justify mo.
I will justify kasi bakit? I
oo.
came from here. Hindi pa ako pwedeng umuwi.
Right.
Hindi kasi direct continuity siya. Alam ko sa script. Pero tinan mo to, merienda, susunod dinner, never ako umuwi. Come on, man.
Yung iba kasi, kung ano yung parang spoon feed ka lang, di ba?
Yeah.
But in your case, alam mo may butas,
No
so
way.
you suggest.
Yes, no way. Isang
Oo,
beses,
oo.
naalala ko, nakipag-argue pa ako sa the wardrobe. Kasi yung eksena, pauwi yung character ko from Rome, iniintay na yung sundo niya or whatever, ang opening shot, nandun siya nakatulog. From Rome, ha? Pero ang establishing ko, nakatulog. Paggising, naka 3-piece suit ako, complete with necktie, vest, everything, tapos sarado lahat yan. Tapos sabi ko, who travels this way? Nobody travels this way.
Oo.
3-piece suit.
Oo.
14 hours kang So, tapos nakakatawa doon, si Direk, biglang, bakit ito yung sinuot mo? Sabi ko, ito yung pinapasok dali. grabe naman, Sid, di ba ito yung nangyayari? I know. But it's my first day. Anong sasabihin ko? Di ba? Okay, ako na bahala. So, like, okay.
Mabuti ganon. Kasi alam mo yung iba, medyo na-turn off sila. Kasi
Yeah.
you're supposed to follow, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
At saka ang talino na ng audiences. Ang
Right,
audience
right,
natin,
right,
they will
right,
tell
right.
you, ano ba yan? Sino niloloko nyo? Wala na, hindi tayo pwede mambola.
To other people, sasabihin na ito may attitude.
Okay lang. Yun naman yung
Nag-i-attitude.
binabayaran nyo.
Nag-i-attitude, di ba? Ganun usually, di ba?
Pwede. As
Oo,
long as alam nyo na para sa shot or sa project naman to, you can think whatever you want.
Oo. So, madalas ka nakaka-encounter ng ganon.
More now, kasi I'm much older. Plus, yung mga katrabaho ko ngayon na director, producer, AD, sila mga kabatch ko dati.
Oh.
So, we grew up together and then we're able to like, direct, ang weird, ba't ganito? Bakit ganito? Di ko gets. Okay, pasa ka.
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga, no? Baka, okay.
Which is good. Kasi at least nakakapag-contribute ka para mas lalong gumanda yung character mo o yung eksena na gagawin.
I think that's my job.
Yeah,
My
that's
job
right,
is not
that's
just the
right.
script. My job is, if I'm a supporting actor at ang bida ko is bago, that's my job. To take care and usher you into this world, yeah.
Kahit nagbibida ka na, you are also a very effective kontrabida.
It's
Bakit?
fun.
Bakit napakahusay mong kontrabida?
Yung fun answer is, mas masaya magkontribida talaga. Pero yung seryosong answer, mas mahirap talaga magbida eh. Ang bida natin dito pwedeng hindi tanggapin sa ibang kultura eh. It's very much dependent on kung ano yung nakikita ng audience as bida. So, automatic nakakahon ka. Pag magagalit ka, hindi ka pwedeng magtaob ng table unless ginamit talaga sa aksena or something. Or hindi ka pwedeng basagolero. Even though no matter how good you are, in reality, pwede mangyari yun. The bad guy is fun because there are no rules. Wala akong kailangan i-please.
Oo.
I just have to reach into everyone's nightmare. Kumbaga si mama sa kanto, or yung rapist na ganito, or blah 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 blah. Lahat ng mga hindi tayo as a Filipino I can do. There's no rules. Kakatakot lang kasi maraming adib galing dito eh.
Oo.
So parang, naisip ko yun.
Napapansin siyempre yun ng director. Nag-a-adlib ka na sarili mo.
Super! Malakas
yeah?
po ako mag-adlib.
Okay.
Depende po sa project, depende sa eksena. Yes, okay, it's a craft, right? But at the same time, there's a part where it's also a job. It's also a business. So at the end of the day, ang ginagawa natin, produkto siya. Sa factory, iilan lang yung workers. Ang soul ng show is a script. Ilan yan? One head writer, maybe 4 to 5 more other writers. That's 4 to 5 manners of speak. Nobody speaks the same way. Nobody. So kung sa isang script, 6 lang yung nagsusulat, 6 lang yung boses. Pero 20 yung character. I always do things they never do. I give nicknames to characters that I like. Kapatid ko, imbis na Joey Boy, or whatever. Di ba? My manner of speak is mine only. So if you give me the line, it sounds like Rufa Gutierrez, ang layo naman yung magsalita sa akin. Babalik na rin ko yan. Kasi it's me. Di ba? Hindi mo na trabaho yan. Trabaho ko na yan. Eh. I have my skeleton, lalagyan natin ng palaman. Unless sabi niya direct na, Timmy, word for word tayo ngayon. Okay. Mahirap gumawa ng produkto for TV, especially for the creative side. Ang hirap niya. Every day, you have to churn up scenes. Final na yan. Habang nagsushoot na kayo. Last year pang final yan. Tapos ngayon na nagte-take kayo, biglang may nangyari sa eksena, kailangan palitan lahat.
Naranasan mo ba yung naglalagari ka sa iba-ibang project?
Yes po.
Ang hirap siguro nun kasi iba-ibang character ang ginagampanan mo. So, paano mo naman na-manage?
Priority po talaga siya eh. Usually naman ang naglagari ko is TV movie. Pag pumasok yung movie, usually alam ko na yung TV. And since TV is lighter yung preparation ko for TV, mas nakakapag-concentrate ako for movies. Ang problem lang is kasi dati pa wala naman tayong laws for finishing early.
Right.
Wala pa po nun eh. So, safety was always an issue and concern. Yun yung pinakamahirap. But other than that, pagdating mo sa set kasi, pag nakita mo na yung co-actors, naka-costume, kita sila nagre-rehearse, madadala ko kayo eh.
Yes.
Dito pala tayo.
May mga pinagdaanan ka.
Yes.
Pero yung mga pinagdaanan mo na yun, naging leksyon mo sa sarili mo.
Yes po.
Do you consider yourself a changed man?
Super! Sana naman.
Oo naman. Sayang naman kung
Sana
sasayangin
naman po,
mo pa.
yeah.
Binigyan ka na panibagong chance, di ba?
Yes. Pang ilang chance na nga po ata to eh. I'm very blessed. I'm very
You are.
I'm very
You are.
lucky. Maraming tao hindi nakaka-recover. I'm proud that I was able to do it, but I didn't do it alone. My family, I have key people in the industry, and I have my team, which is Subsport, yan, kina Erwin. Yeah. They really, it takes a village to rescue someone.
Sa rami ng lessons na natutunan mo sa buhay, of course, looking forward, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
That's a good question. Never ko naisip yun. Hopefully, 5 years from now, I have more time with my daughter. Huh? 5 years from now, magka-college na siya!
Oo, she will be 17 by then, di ba? She will be 17 by then. Oo, teenager na. Isang taon na lang actually, teenager na siya. She'll be 13.
Oh my God.
Oo, di ba?
Hopefully, I'm more present. Nung past few years na ko, tuloy-tuloy po ako. So I missed a couple of years. Hindi naman sunod-sunod, pero I wasn't as present as I wanted to be. The clearest thing for me is I have more time with my kid. And sana may work din.
That's good. And how are you with the mom of your kid?
She's great, lalo na ngayon. I
Oo.
mean, nanay yan eh. She's amazing. She thinks about Halo first, na kahit gaano kainis siya sa tatay, iniisip niya na kailangan makita ng anak yung tatay. So, she works
That's
with me.
good. Yeah.
Recently, mas friends na kami ngayon. As in, pwede na kami mag-joke. Nagpapadala ng, uy, panoorin mo to.
Oo. Which is good, di ba?
Yeah, opo,
But
yeah.
you don't go out together.
We
pa
do,
lang.
we do.
Talaga?
We have,
Oh,
as a
talaga?
family,
Wow, oo.
sometimes, pag may errand sila, pwede ba akong sumama? O sige, can I hang out with Halo? Alis kami, gusto mong sumama? Gusto mo ikaw na lang? Ganyan. Okay, ganun.
Lahat ng mga special occasions ni Halo, naandun ka?
I try. I
to be
try.
there,
So
to be
from
present.
school, Christmas, holidays, and birthday, I try. Yeah. More often than not, pag wala pa akong trabaho, nakikita ko siya almost every day. Kasi hatid sundo ako sa school. Eh.
Anong role ang gusto mong gawin na talagang maglalabas talaga ng husay pa?
Never thought about it. Ang gusto kong gawin ngayon, like lagi kong naiisip is a fantasy film. I like to talk about more human stuff. Like if you watch mga Korean TV shows and movies in Japanese, it's very introspective. Eh. It's not just drama and entertainment. Lagi silang may sinasabi. So I'm just waiting for the TV side of the industry to open up a little bit more.
Slowly. Oo.
Kasi na-stuck po
Oo.
tayo sa soap eh. Pwede naman soap sa hapon, soap sa gabi. Pero meron tayong wala sa format na yan. Shot like a film.
Actually, in fairness to ABS, sa mga primetime shows nila, example ko na yung Incognito.
Hindi na siya soap.
Ibang
Yan.
klase.
Hindi lang nakatayo yung characters,
Oo.
may action, gumagalaw yung
At
camera.
may kwento.
Yes.
At may kwento.
Hindi lang yung
Oo.
internal struggle, heartache, blah,
Oo.
blah, 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 you lied to me. Yun ang dream ko talaga. Dream role is something more...
Diba?
Ulit-ulit na kasi.
Oo. Kung kayo lang talagang masusunod, di ba? I'd like to do this thing.
Yeah.
Ito yung lalo pang magpapa-challenge sa'yo,
Yeah.
di ba?
Si John Lloyd, I remember we were talking, he was so hungry for it. Tapos...
Another good actor. Another very good actor.
Fantastic.
John
So,
Lloyd, balik ka na.
Idol, bro. Tapos,
Oo.
na ano siya? Ayoko na nito. Gusto ko ng movie.
Ang
Yan.
hirap, no?
Pinak-
Ang hirap.
Nagkakilala sila ni Love Diaz.
Oo. Oo.
Happy na yung puso niya.
Di ba?
You need to do
Yung
something
mga
for you.
ganun.
Yeah.
Actually, in fairness din kay Direct Nick, di ba? Red, at saka ngayon si Nick. This is
Yeah, si
di
Nicolas,
ba?
yeah.
Iba yung ano rin nila eh. Di ba?
Yan,
Di ba?
ang nakakatuwa.
Diba?
Yan.
Oo.
Ang napansin ko lang na hindi naman siya masama. Pero alam ko kasi in any school, you're not supposed to do this. Rule siya. Pero for here in our country, we're not supposed to serve our audience. You're a creator. We watch kasi ang galing mo gumawa. Pero kung gagawa ka para sa akin, boring na yan eh. Ano yung nangyayari? That's why everything is soap, 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 soap. We need to do something else.
Nakakaramdam ka ba ng frustration as an actor?
Less po now compared
Less
to
na
before.
ngayon, oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Now I just accept it because mahal ko talaga yung job ko. It's not just a job, the industry. So, dati kung nung mga 25 ako, ba't ganito? Ba't ang late-late? This is bad for the brain, the heart, people are dying. But hindi, this is how it is. So, it's either you play or you don't. Or you go home, pack up ka ngayon. Di ba? Ako, hindi na siya tiis eh. I love it. I love it.
You're just like the late Eddie Garcia, na
Oo.
napaka-effective maging bida at saka kontrabida.
I'll try.
Di ba?
Iba
Of course,
yun.
sabi nila, it's huge shoes to fill up. Pag nakakakita ako ng katulad nyo, parating ang comparison is Eddie Garcia.
That's
Ito yung
crazy.
pinagdaanan Tito Eddie, di ba?
Wow.
He was so effective, di ba? Napakagaling na bida, pero mas magaling siya bilang kontrabida.
And funny. Scary.
Yes,
Tapos comedy.
Yes.
Oh nga, no, I just realized, ang lakas siya sa comedy.
Yes. Actually, mga ano niya na yun eh, mga adlib niya na yun eh.
One-liners.
Yes,
Yeah.
mga adlib na ni Tito Eddie yun.
Yeah.
Pero he was also one of the best actors we had. Oo.
At saka professionalism. Like, I got to
Number
work with,
one, si Tito Eddie.
Never
Yes.
late. He always knows his lines. And he never complains. He's never loud. Stoic talaga eh. Stoicism talaga. Yeah.
Yes.
Great man. Yeah.
Kumbaga sa role model talaga, Tito Eddie.
Oh,
Tito
yeah.
Eddie, professionalism,
Yeah.
love for his craft, lahat, everything. He was so good in everything he does. I mean,
Yes.
naging director pa.
That's right.
Diba? Naging ano nga yun eh, famous Hall of Famer. 3 beses. Both as best director,
Wow.
best actor, best supporting actor. Nakuha niya lahat. I think he's the only one na nakakuha ng ganon.
Clint Eastwood din.
Yes, di ba?
That's
Tito Eddie, ang gawin mong ano, and you will never go wrong. The Eddie Garcia, plus of course ngayon yung the Eddie Garcia. Come to think of it, parang iniisip mo na his death was not sayang.
No, syempre, I want to see more of him.
Of
Pero
course.
it helped change the industry that we know now eh.
Yeah.
Konti pa, I mean, slowly.
Mm-mm.
Like yung time na, oo nga, no, hindi dapat natin ito ginagawa sa mga tao natin.
Oo.
Yeah, ripples talaga. It hasn't changed.
Sino si Sid Lucero na hindi pa alam ng publiko?
Sid Lucero is nobody. He really is nobody. He is Timmy Agenman and Ricky Gallardo and mostly Bing Pimentel. And pagdating sa taping, you see him, and the moment it's packed up, it's Timmy Agenman. You don't see me in commercials. You don't see me in political stuff. You'll never see me sing and dance. I'm just an actor. That's it.
And a very good actor.
I just really love my job.
Yes.
I do. Pero outside that, I really try to make sure na hindi ako ulit ako malamon ng industriya. Hindi naman sa masama yung industriya, pero there is a side kasi na nakakasilaw at nakakabulag at sobrang tamis. Gusto mong yun na lang yung kakainin mo every day. I try to stay away from that. And I keep friends who sila yung bahala to, bro,
Put you
ano,
down.
nakalimutan
Ayun,
mo,
talaga.
dito ka
To
muna,
keep you
ah."
grounded.
Yes po.
Oo.
I'm very proud of them. Shout out, Venturas and the Sarmientos and the Nerys.
These are your barkadas?
The closest people
Oo,
of my
oo.
life. And the Kaimo. Shout out sa inyo. Sid Lucero's nobody. He just likes to play video games,
That's
watch
what you
movies.
think.
I try to keep it that way. Kasi pag iniisip ko kung sino si Sid Lucero, lalaki na naman ang ulo niya. Ayoko.
Yes. So, wag mo na babalikan
Wala
yun.
na.
Yes, yung dark past mo, wag na.
No more, no
Oo,
more, no
wag na.
more. Never again.
If your dads were still alive today, anong gusto mo iparating sa kanya?
If my dad were still alive, hindi siya madaling conversation, but I'll tell him that it's not so bad. Kasi kung ano man yung dinadala niya, nabigatan siya nun. And he carried it for a long time. It's not so bad. Let's make more movies.
And of course, yung mensahe mo sa mom mo na napaka-supportive sa'yo.
Mom, I love you so much. Sid Lucero is Ricky and you, really. I'll be nowhere. You really are the greatest mom in the world. Really. I wish I could match that. I'm working on it.
Continue to be good.
I'm trying. Yeah.
And of course, to your daughter, Halo.
Hello, whatever you want to do, just
Showbiz daw siya.
sure, basta as long as you do it 110%, whether it's play, fun, serious stuff, school, 100% all the time.
Kung i-rewind ang buhay mo, anong parte ng buhay mo ang gusto mong balikan?
Maybe high school. Siguro kung bumalik ako ng high school, I'd pay more attention to school and myself instead of kung paano ako naapektuhan ng mundo. Ako yung ayusin ko, high school pa lang. Kaso kung ginawa ko yun, baka wala akong halo. So, I don't know if I want to change anything. Kasi si Halo, which is the light of my life, bunga yun nung darkness ko eh. Doon siya pinanganak eh. At kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi na ako makakalabas. So, but as an honest answer, I wish I would treated school with more respect. Yeah.
In other words, high school pa lang, nagloloko ka na.
Hindi naman po. High school pa lang, hirap na ako sa school.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ko
Wala kang
nakikita...
gana mag-school?
Wala.
Ay, wala talaga. Oh.
Hindi ko nakikita si dad, mga
Yes.
high school ko lang naramdaman lahat yan eh. Ba't wala si dad? Hirap na hirap si mama. Paano nangyayari? Galit. Teenage angst.
Ayan, naging rebellious ka rin.
Wala pa ako nun
Normal yun, oo.
sa
Yes.
dark side na yun. Pero I had the makings for it na eh. Perfect recipe for disaster na ako nun eh.
How old were you nung maghiwalay ang parents mo?
I think I was 5.
Oh, so
Yeah.
young.
5?
So
5
kahit-
or 6. Yeah.
Oh, understandable.
Yeah.
Kasi yung growing up stage mo, parang hindi kayo kumpleto,
No.
naghahanap ka, di ba?
Malaki
Oo.
talagang epekto
Oh,
ng
yes.
absent parent or
Oo.
missing parent sa kids pagdating
Yeah.
sa family.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
Formative years yun eh.
Yes.
Yes,
And
yeah. Oo.
iba yung ginagawa ng husband and wife para sa isa't isa.
Right.
Kung sino man yung nasa trabaho at sino nasa babae, whether it's husband or wife, yung pang-recharge ng spirit mo, ng kaluluwa mo, yung para makapag-rant ka, you need that eh. Pag pagod na si mommy, puputok. Si daddy naman, explain. Pagod si dad, puputok. Mom naman, hindi, si dad is ganyan. So, yun yung nawawala eh.
Oo.
It's important. It's very important.
Bukod sa younger sister mo si Maxine, of course, you have two half siblings, right? You have Gabby and Andy. Anim kayo, di ba?
Gabby, Ira, Andy, Stephanie.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
kami ni Max ang buo. Yeah, with Big
Oo, yes,
Pimentel.
kayo
yeah.
ni Max, yes. Oo.
Si Stephanie, she's an alien. She just knows how to live. She doesn't do anything sa industry. She just, I don't know what she does. She just makes a lot of money. What she does.
Pero kanya-kanyang ano yun eh, kumbaga talent.
Yes,
Saka yung
yeah.
interest.
Opo,
kanya,
yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
Ikaw, nalure ka sa industriya
Yes.
na nagustuhan mo.
Yes.
Actually, 4 kayo.
Yes.
Di ba?
Si
You, Max,
Maxine,
Gabby, and Andy.
Yes.
The two, si Ira at saka si
Stephanie, they did their own
Stephanie.
things. Yeah.
Oo. Ito talaga yung matatawag mong non-showbiz.
Yes.
Non-showbiz
yes,
sila eh, di
yes.
ba?
Si Max, dati pa yan eh. Pero same kami ng arc eh. Meron
Pero
kaming-
latter part na rin si Max di ba, nag-shine.
Now,
Oo.
because she had to step out eh. Because she had got pregnant twice.
Right,
I mean,
right.
she had 2 kids pala.
Yes.
So, syempre, take care of the family. And now that she's matatanda na sila, pwede na siyang bumalik. Which is great kasi nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon to flex.
At saka hindi, lulutang talaga pag mahusay ka.
That's
And of
what I
course,
always say.
your message to your grandparents, Eddie Mesa and of course Rosemary Hill, na hindi mo pa nakikita ng matagal-tagal na.
Mama
Bisitahin
and
mo
Papa,
naman.
I'll see you later. Because we have your trophies.
Wow, di ba? Nakakaano nga imagine, apo ni Eddie
Yeah.
Mesa, former matinee idol, di ba? At tapos of course sa Rosemary Hill, sino ba mang makakalimot kay Rosemary Hill?
Yeah.
Of course, your late aunt na si
Yeah,
Sherry
Tita
Hill.
Sherry, Tito
Of course,
Mike.
oh, di ba? Your dad, and of course, your uncle Mike. Marami pa, a lot more.
Yung next generation.
Okay.
First gen pa lang. Second and first lang pa yun. May third
Hindi,
pa.
third na kayo, third.
Yeah, but you said dito, mama and papa, and then yung mga anak nila.
Ah, yes, yes.
Meron
yes.
pa kami.
Oo. Let's talk a bit about your new movie.
Sure. So, I had the honor of working with the Reds. But this time,
This is the first time?
first time.
Ah,
yeah,
talaga? And this is directorial debut pati ni Nick, di ba?
Ni Nicholas, that's right. Yeah.
Nicholas,
So,
right,
si Nick.
right.
Hindi ko alam yung mga backstories nila before namin ginawa ng film na to. And sobrang saya. As in, they're really a talented family. Parang sila,
They are.
nung pumunta nga kami doon, alam ko kasi pag horror, hassle yan eh.
Oo.
Makeup, time,
Yeah.
retake. Pero alam na nila kung anong gagawin nila. Parang commercial. Kung ano yung plakado, kung ano yung plano, yun yung gagawin. Nothing over, nothing under. They're really amazing group. And then I get to work with Bea.
First time kayo?
First time
First time
din.
din, okay.
Ay, hindi po. Nagkasama na kami sa isang show, pero young version sila.
Mm-hmm.
So never kami nagkasama sa eksena. So this is like my second time to be with her in a show, pero first time namin magka-eksena.
And then first time also with the magtatay.
Yes.
Carlito si Jim
Yes.
Reyna and of course
That's right.
Rafa.
First time with
Yes.
Direk Carlos, and then Rafa, I've worked with him before na. Also in Toto.
Yes.
Amazing dahil.
Yes.
So yeah, they got together. They wanted to put together this film that is parang close to their hearts. Kaya Post House kasi yun naman talaga ginagawa nila. And then they wanted to see ano kaya kung gawa tayo ng pelikula about the first ever film. And then gawa tayong story out of that. And they created this. It's a horror thriller, and it's also got some like, my favorite part is like yung internal struggles ng father and daughter.
Oh.
Because, syempre, we don't talk about it enough eh.
Oo.
Emotional,
Yes, yes.
generational scars, trauma that is passed down
Right.
na hindi natin alam na kaya pala tayo ganito kasi of the people before us. Importante sa akin yan. And that's why I really wanted to do this film.
This is going to be shown August 20.
On the 20th,
Oo.
this month,
Right,
August.
right.
Everywhere you go. Pero sa 19th, ewan ko kung makakapunta kayo, pero may premiere kami. So, mauna lang ako ng one night mapanood.
Talaga.
Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Hindi mo ba? Talaga hindi. Wala. The entire movie, hindi
Nothing,
pa?
nothing.
Hindi pa.
Only what I dubbed. Yeah.
Okay. Doon pa lang sa, sa premiere night.
Yes.
Again, invite everyone to your movie.
Guys, again, my name is Sid Lucero. And thank you for being here. I just wanted to take my time to invite all of you to watch this brand new film, Post House po, sa August 20. And it's gonna be everywhere. Bea Benana is amazing. Kailangan nyo siya panoorin. Napakaangas niya.
First time mo siyang nakatrabaho.
First time ko siyang makita face-to-face
Oo.
kung paano siya magtrabaho. Amazing. Yes.
Wow. Good luck on your new movie.
Thank
Any
you.
upcoming projects that you wanted to promote?
Wala naman. Just Post House. And if also Beauty Empire, hindi ko alam kung
Are still ongoing?
Ongoing
GMA?
ba ba?
Yeah,
Ayan, so
ongoing.
yan. So you
Ikaw
can watch it
talaga,
on channel.
sa dami ng show, nakakalimutan.
Yes. Sa GMA or sa View, you can watch. Sa View, advance siya ng contest. So kung
Yes,
gusto niyo
yes.
mauna, pwede niyo
Alright.
panoorin doon.
And of course, with that, thank you so much, Sid. Thank you so
No.
much for your time. And thank you so much for sharing your life story
My
sa
pleasure.
amin.
I don't mind talking about it in length pa nga eh.
Oo. But again, you're a very good actor.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
I will try.
And of course, maraming salamat pati kay Ricky Gallardo for allowing you to be here.
Of
At
course.
saka Moises Fernandez at saka sa Viva.
Yeah.
Christine, thank you so
Yeah.
much, Christine Manalo. Maraming salamat sa aking personal sponsors, Pandan Asian Cafe. Thank you so much, Alvin, Dennis, and of course, Roland. Ever Belena, Hello Glow, Beauty Derm, Eris Beauty Care, Aficionado by Joel Cruz, Doc Rob's Wellness Supplements, R&A Events Specialist by Richie Ang, Asia Slashes, Nesta Sila Salon for My Hair and Makeup, Nutritech, maraming salamat, Jos de la Luna, Most View from Japan, Memoy.ph, Silpul Joyce Furnitures, maraming salamat, Charles Solano of Solano Hotel, Colorete Clothing by Bebot Santos, Dr. M. Sevilla of Vine Aesthetics, Shinagawa LASIK and Aesthetic Center, Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care, Dr. Essentials Aromatherapy, Studio Manila. This is from Doc Rob's Chiropractic Wellness. Pilo pala to from Doc Rob's and Walter, and of course kay Patricia Javier. Alam mo, you would love this.
I know I would love this.
Yeah, di ba?
I love Doc Rob. Doc
Oh.
Rob fixed my back. Dati hindi ako
talaga?
hindi ako makalakad. Parang
Wow.
ang penguin, wee trash can. Doc Rob, thank you so much. I don't know what to say.
That's for you?
I got goosebumps, oh.
Talaga? Alam mo, very useful yan. You can bring it anywhere, travel, sa sasakyan mo, or kung magpapamassage ka.
This is
Iba
me
siya
for my
eh,
car.
di ba?
It's for my car. I'll take you with me to taping.
Oh, yes. Before we go, happy birthday to Nanay Aurea Jimenez dyan sa LA. Lahat po ng ating mga kaibigan, lahat po ng nanonood sa atin dyan sa LA at sa Amerika. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday, Nanay. Love you. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking programang TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan mag-subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon of TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Bye for now, and God bless us all.